Hey, what's up YouTube and New Jersey? This video is for you. So today I wanted to make a video on how to communicate with the New Jersey Unemployment Insurance Office. I actually stumbled across a web form link so that you can actually communicate with them electronically. You go on the website, you go put in your identifiers, and then there's a large text box and you can put in a very detailed message and get a response from the New Jersey Unemployment Office. So here we go. So right here we have the link. I'll put it in the description below. You scroll down, you put your field number 1 is your first name. Field number 2, you have your last name. Field number 3, you have to put an email address. Number 4, you want to put in your mailing address. Number 5, please enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. So just enter the last 4 digits. Here you have in number 6, please enter your date of birth. You're going to have a big box that's going to open up. The first thing you have to look for is your year of birth. So you look for, let's say, 1960. We're going to put in, let's say, April. Let's put in July. You look for the date and it automatically populates. So this isn't actual, you actually have to do it in that order where you're putting in the year, then you put in the date. You look for the month and then the date. You can't actually come in here and edit because it won't let you. Input date of birth. Let's see if it allows me. 1980. Oh, it actually does allow you. Seems like the text field is a little finicky, so it just seems easier if you just pick out the year, month, and then day. So then here you put in your telephone number, click the blue tab, and we'll switch over. I already pre-filled with my information. You have section 8, put in the category of the question from the following list. It appears that you can request multiple different things by submitting different messages. What I did was I helped somebody out. What we did was unemployment claim status, and then we put the full message of what actually was happening. Whether or not that's going to work, we'll see. But I did submit a message today, so I'm hoping that it will be able to hear from them soon enough. You hit submit, and that's all there is to it. There's the video. I wanted to do this because there was a lot of people that have been saying that they've had issues getting in touch on the phone. They call in, it rings, they get an automated response. It tells them to stick around, and then eventually it just goes dead. So I wanted to do this video because I'm hoping that it actually works. It helps out. I did this earlier with somebody. We picked out just one of the text box options, said everything we had to tell them we were having an issue with. So I'm hoping to get a response. If you guys do try it out, please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what was your case, what actually happened. And that way, you know, I could share the information further. If you haven't done so already, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment if this was helpful for you. Thank you guys for watching the channel. I hope you see you guys on the next one.